How to get rid of carpenter bees naturally. There are certain to be a few bees that are more of a bother than a benefit among the world's 20,000 distinct kinds of bees. The carpenter bee, unfortunately, is one of those bees. Carpenter bees are similar in size and appearance to bumblebees. However, instead of nesting in the ground, carpenter bees nest and place their eggs in wood for protection. Carpenter bees are normally peaceful, yet they may still wreak havoc in your house. The actual issue with carpenter bees is what they do to your home's wooden elements. These tiny insects dig holes in soft wood and form a network of tunnels where they may deposit their eggs and hide from the elements and dangers outside the nest. Even though these nests do not appear to be a serious problem at first, they will do significant harm to your property over time. Carpenter bees prefer raw or untreated wood, moist wood, and old outdoor furniture like tables and chairs. Door frames, windows, your home's exterior, patio furniture, and exposed timber beams are the most typical areas to discover them. Here are several all-natural ways to rid your home of carpenter bees. 1. Any exposed wood surrounding your house should be painted or sealed. Because these tiny bees seek for easy-to-drill wood, your deck, door frame, or windows are good candidates for a bee infestation. 2. Using a wet-vac, vacuum the bees out. If you have a high-powered wet-vac and the nest is relatively fresh, this approach is ideal. The best time to do this is in the evening, when the bees will have returned to their nest for the night. 3. Make as much noise as possible. Carpenter bees like silence, so if you find yourself with any unwanted visitors, place a radio or speaker near the nest. Not only will the music lead them to get disoriented, but the vibrations will also force them to flee their nest. 4. Make a citrus spray. The scent of citrus is inherently repulsive to carpenter bees. Slice the citrus fruit and boil it in a small saucepan of water for 10 to 15 minutes to release the juice. Allow the citrus water to cool before pouring it into a spray bottle fitted with a stream nozzle and spraying it into the nest. 5. Use essential oils. Carpenter bees are extremely sensitive to odors within their colony. Essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, and lemon are great for making their nest unpleasant, causing them to flee for good. Although this isn't a long-term solution, it will give you enough time to securely remove them from the nest without harming them, so you may fully seal the entry hole. 6. Pyrethrum spray. The flower pyrethrum, commonly known as tanacetum, is often utilized in natural insecticides. It is one of the most powerful natural pesticides permitted in organic agriculture. 8. Almond oil. Carpenter bees despise the smell and will avoid nesting on sprayed wood. To spray on wood, combine the almond oil with water, or apply the oil straight to carpenter bee nest holes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.